In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and fulfill orders in your Wix e-commerce store. Let's walk through the exact workflow you'll use every time you ship a purchase, so your customers stay informed and your dashboard stays tidy. First, open your Wix e-commerce dashboard. Log into Wix and head to your site's dashboard. From here, click Edit Site or open your Wix store area to access the e-commerce control panel. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Next, go to My Business and open the Orders section. In the left-hand menu, click My Business. Inside that area, select Wix Stores and then Manage Products. Depending on your layout, you may also see a Direct Orders option. Either route is fine. Once you're in Wix Stores, open the Sales tab and choose Orders. You'll see a list of the all customer orders along with their statuses. To check order details, click any order in the list to open its dedicated page. Here you can review the customer's contact and shipping information, the items ordered and their quantities, and the payment status. Take a moment to confirm everything matches what you're about to ship, especially item variants and addresses, so there are no surprises later. When an order has been packed and shipped, you're ready to mark it as fulfilled. Stay on the order details page and look for the More Actions menu or a Mark as Fulfilled or Fulfill button, usually near the top or bottom of the page. Click Mark as Fulfilled to update the order status. If prompted, add the shipment's tracking number and choose whether to send an automatic order fulfilled email to the customer. Accurate tracking helps reduce support questions and sets clear expectations. After confirming, double check that the order status has changed from pending or unfulfilled to fulfilled or completed. Return to your orders list and repeat this process for each new order as you ship them. Keeping this habit ensures your store stays organized and customers receive timely notifications. One important note about premium plans. To receive real paid orders, your Wix store must be on a premium plan. The free plan lets you set up products and open the orders page, but you won't be able to accept live payments until you upgrade. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.